Hey crafters, it's Alex Vanover back with Divine Design Crafts, and today I'm in the 651Vinyl studio to spotlight one of my favorite HTV products, Siser EasyWeed Electric. It is so gorgeous and so easy to use. It has the same application instructions as Siser EasyWeed, but it gives such a gorgeous pop of color to any project that you want to make with it. Here are all the available colors in Siser EasyWeed Electric. To cut Siser EasyWeed Electric, check the left side of our website for the cut settings document to see what settings you need for your machine. When you apply Electric HTV, you're going to set your heat press to 305 degrees, press at medium pressure for 10 to 15 seconds. And you can peel that carrier sheet hot or cold. It's just the same instructions as regular Siser EasyWeed, so easy and so gorgeous. You can apply Siser EasyWeed Electric to so many projects that you're going to do this summer. You can put it on your beach vacation shirts, on 4th of July shirts, you can put it on tote bags, can coolers, beach cover-ups, just about anything that needs a pop of color. Check out these projects for some inspiration. Tell me in the comments what you want to know about Siser EasyWeed Electric. I'm Alex Vanover with Divine Design Crafts, and if you haven't already, please make sure to subscribe below and click the bell notification next to subscribe so that you never miss when a new video comes out. Let's craft again soon.